Hello students, welcome back to Easy Mathematics. In today's video, we are going to continue large numbers.
Then see students, today we are going to continue with large numbers, and points we are going to discuss, that is comparison of number, ordering large numbers and forming a number using given digits. Then see first point. What is the first point? See, comparison of numbers. Comparison means compare between the two things, that is which is greater, which is smaller, or which is longer and which is shorter, like this. Okay, then see the first example. What is the first example? 35 and 132. What is the first rule? First rule is check the number of digits in given number. See here, in 35 how many digits? 2 digits are there, and in 132 3 digits are there. Means in these 3 is greater than the 2, means in between 35 and 132, 132 is greater than 35. See second example, 215 and 40. In between 215 and 40, which is greater? Check number of digits. Here 1, 2 and 3. 3 digits. Here 1, 2, 2 digit. Means 215 is greater than 40. See the third example. According to rule, check first number of digit, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits, and here 1, 2, 3, 3 digit. 4 is greater than 3, means 6122 is greater than 539. Then see the next examples. See fourth example, 23,45,006 and 97,508. In between these two numbers, according to rule, check number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digit. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. Then 7 is greater than 5, means which number is greater? 23,45,006 is greater than 97,508. See in fifth example, check number of digits, that is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 digit. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, means 8 is greater than 7. So which number is greater? In between 86,78,213 and 5,57,43,988, which number is greater? Yes, correct. 5,57,43,988 is greater than 86,78,213. Then see the next, what rule we have learned from these examples? A number with greater number of digits is always greater. Means given number, first we have to check that now given number is formed with how many digit, and which digit is greater, that number is greater. This is the first rule. Okay, then see next example. And now see in this first example, for check digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 digit. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 7 digits. Means here first rule is not following, because number of digits in two numbers are same. Then what to do? Then we have to apply the second rule. What is the second rule? Check the leftmost digit. Means start from left hand side and go to the right hand side in both numbers and check which digit is different. Means here see in this example, in both numbers 7, means leftmost first digit is same. Then check next 2, 2 both again same, 1 and here 8. Now in between 1 and 8 we have to check which is greater. 8 is greater, means this number is greater, means 72,084 72,84,351 is greater than 72,14,378. Again same, see second example. Check number of digit 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again 6 digit means same. Then we have to check digits starting from the left hand side. See first 2 2 is same, then 6 6 is same, then third most 8 8 again same, then next 7 and here is 3. This digit 7 and here 3. In between these digits 7 is greater than 3. So which number is greater? 2,68,743 is greater than 2,68,349. Then check the next example. Number of digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Again 9 9 means same digit. Then again start from the left hand side in both numbers and check digits. First digit is 6, here also 6, here 3, here also 3, here 2, again here 2, here 2, here 2, here 8 8 5 5 9 9 6 6. See here in these both numbers up to last digit we have to check the, and last digit we got 0 is smaller than 2 means which number is greater? This number is greater. What is this number? 63 crore 22 lakh 85,962 is greater than 63 crore 22 lakh 85,960. Okay, then see next example. In this example check number of digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Again number of digits in both numbers are same. Then check the digits starting from the left hand side. Check 5, here 5 same, 3 3, 2 2, 6 6. After 6 here is the 3 and here is the 2 means 3 is greater than 2 means which number is greater? This number is greater, that is 5 crore 32 lakh 63,217 is greater than the 5 crore 32 lakh 62,217. Then see the next example. Again here see number of digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Again number of digits in both numbers are same. Then check number of digits starting from the left hand side. See 3 3, 0 0, 1 1, 9 9, 9 again 9, 2 2, 2 2, 4 4 and 5 and 6. 6 is greater than 5. So which number is greater? This number is greater means 30 crore 19 lakh 92,246 is greater than 30 crore 19 lakh 92,246. Okay, and from these examples which rule we have learned? See second rule, if two numbers have same number of digit, starts comparing the digits from the leftmost place. The number with greatest digit at the leftmost place is greater. But if both numbers have same digit in the leftmost place, then compare the digit at the next place from left and again same, the move on to the next digit. Means in before examples we have done the same. We have started from the left hand side and we moved to the right hand side to checking which digits are same and which are different. That is only given in next slide, this slide. Okay, and then see the next point. What is the next point? Rule 3. What is the rule 3? If the number of digits in two given numbers are same, then the numbers are same. Means it's easy. See here, number of digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Both numbers formed with 8 digits. Then check second rule, starting from the leftmost. See first 8 8 7 7 4 4 5 5 2 2 6 6 1 1 7 7 means both digit in these two numbers are same, so these two numbers are equal. And this is the third rule. If the number of digits in two given numbers are same, then the numbers are same. See the second example. What is the second example given? See, in second example, first we will check the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Both numbers formed by 9 digits. Then now compare the digits starting from the left hand side. Then see, from here we have to start. Here 5 5 1 1 9 9 0 0 0 0 3 3 2 2 1 1 1 1 means these two numbers are equal. Okay, this is the third rule. Then see next point, ordering large numbers. Then see, in ordering large number means ascending order and descending order we have to write. Ascending means what? Meaning of ascending means smaller to greater. Smaller to greater. And descending order means greater to smaller. Greater to smaller. In these words only meaning is there. Descending means greater to smaller. Ascending means smaller to greater. Okay. Then see first example. Here 1 2 3 4 5 numbers given and we have to arrange it in ascending order. In ascending order. Then what to do? First check the number of digits in each number. See here, first 5,82,386. In this number how many digits? 6 digits are there. 6. Then here see 7,82,356. Here again 6 digit. Here 5,83,386. 6 digit. 9,95,832. 6 digit. 3,53,372. 6 digit. Means every number formed by 6 digit. Then what to do? Then again we have to apply the second rule which we used for compare the larger numbers. Then see first digits we have to check from leftmost place. Here 5, here 7, here again 5, here 9, here 3 means which is smaller? 3 is smaller. Then first have to write 3,53,372 is smaller than which number? See, after 3 5 is greater, but in both numbers 5 is there here and here. Then check leftmost place means next digit. Here 8, here 8 same, here 2 and here 3 means 5,82,386 is smaller than the 5,83,386. Then next 9 and 7 which is smaller? 7 is smaller means Next number will come 7,82,356, and lastly will come 9,95,832. Now ascending order we have written, but now see descending order. What have to do? Exact opposite. From greater number to smaller number we have to go. Means first will come which number? 9,95,832 is greater than 7,82,356 is greater than 5,83,386 and is greater than 5,82,386, and this is greater than 3,53,372. And again, most important thing, students had mistake where I observed that student had mistakes here, where semicolon symbol given, there students means considering after 6 sometimes 7, here sometimes 5, or they are jumbling letters numbers. Then what have to do? See, while writing numbers, semicolon have to give compulsory. Don't forget to write, and don't give comma also. Why comma? Because while writing number also we are putting here comma. Yes na? So be careful while writing. Don't forget to this using of semicolon. Then see next example. And this one, in which order we written? See, I forgot to tell you that this is the descending order. Descending order. First we have checked ascending order and then descending order. Then see the second example. See here in second example, first rule, number of digits. Then let's check. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This number formed with 9 digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again 9 digit. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digit. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This number again formed by 9 digits. Then first we will discuss about the ascending order. Then in ascending order means smaller to greater. Ascending order means smaller to greater. Then first smaller number is 61,67,831 is smaller than. Next which number we have to use? See, we have to check down because remaining 3 numbers are 9 digits. Then check which is smaller, 3, 7 or 7. 3 is smaller. Then 34 crore 35 lakh 53,951 is smaller than. Then next number here again 7 and 7 is same. Then check next digit 3 and 8 means 3 is smaller. 73 crore 61 lakh 76,128. This is smaller than 78 crore 72 lakh 53,821. This is the ascending order. Then exact opposite descending order means this number. See, suppose we numbered here 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then 4 number will come first in descending order, then third, then second, and third in 1 means exact opposite. Then see in descending order which number will come first? Descending order, first see descending order which number? 78 crore 72 lakh 53,821 is greater than 73 lakh 76,128 is greater than which number? 61 lakh, sorry, which number? By mistakenly I am writing 61 lakh. Which number? 34 crore 35 lakh 53,951, and this is greater than which number? 61 lakh, yes, 61 lakh 67,831. Okay, and then see next example. First rule, check number of digits. Here check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digit. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 digit. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and be careful about the semicolon. Yes, otherwise numbers you will jumbled and answer will get wrong. Then see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then see now 7 digit 2 numbers are there, then 8 digit, and then 2 numbers are 9 digit. Then what to do first? 7 digit numbers are smaller than in 7 digit numbers. How to check? While writing ascending order, first will come smaller or greater number. In ascending order, yes, first will come smaller number, and which is the smaller number? 18 lakh is smaller than the 92 lakh, means 18 lakh 543 is smaller than the 92 lakh 23,479 is smaller than these two numbers over. Then next these two numbers are 9 digit and 9 digit. Yes, no? Then check. After this will come 8 digit number, that is 3 crore 76 lakh 1,295, and then is smaller than which number? Here check, 9 digit and 9 digit is there, then 4 or 8 have to compare. Then 4 is smaller than 8, means 43 crore 3 lakh 23,596 is smaller than which number? 80 crore 43 lakh 15,672. Okay, then exact opposite, descending order. In descending order, first what will come? In descending order, exact opposite, first greatest number, and then next smallest and smallest, means in descending order we have to move from greatest to smallest in descending order. See, in descending order, first which number will come? 9 digit greater number is 80 crore. First it will come 80 crore 43 lakh 15,672, and it is smaller than which number? 43 crore 3 lakh 23,596 is again greater than which number? 92 lakh, sorry, 3 crore 76 lakh 1,295, and is greater than 92 lakh 23,479, and is greater than 18 lakh 543. Okay, and then see next point, forming a number using a given digits. See what question given here? Using the given digits without repetition, means any digit we not have to repeat, and make the greatest and smallest number. See which digits given here? 2, 8, 7 and 4. 4 digits given here, and we have to make greatest and smallest number without repetition, means 4 digit number only we have to make here. Then see greatest number. While writing greatest number, what we have to do? Check the digits. Which is the greater? 8 is greater in given digit only. 2, 8, 7 and 4. 8 is greater, then 7, then 4 and then 2. This is our greatest 4-digit number we formed from given digits. Then like this smallest number also we have to make. Then smallest number exact opposite, come from smallest digit to the greatest digit, means first will come smallest digit 2, then 4, then 7, and then means from given digit 2, 8, 7 and 4 we formed a greatest 4-digit number 8742 and smallest 4-digit number 2478. Okay, and then see next example like this only given 9156. First greatest number, which one we can form? Digit check. 9 is greater, then 6, then 5 and 1, and then smallest. It's easy, very easy, already you have learned in previous classes. 1569. Now here see in third example 0 is there. Now see what will happen. Greatest number, how to form? Not have any problem. Check greatest digit, which one? 5 is greatest digit. Then which one? 4, then 3 and then 0. But like first and second example, if you written exact opposite, means here how we written? One which is last here, that one first, then 5, then 6 and then 9, means exact opposite order we have written in first and second example. But in third example, if we written first 0, 3, 4 and 5, then what happen? See here, our answer is correct? No, it is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because 0 come at 1000 place and 0 when come before the number, we are not considering this, and this one formed a only 3-digit number, that is 345. But our question is, what is our question? Make 4-digit number. Then what to do? Check in given digits which is the in digit only except a 0. 3 is smaller, write down 3 first, then write down 0 and then 4 and 5. And then now here formed a 4-digit smallest number, means when 0 will come, be careful while writing smallest number. Okay, and then see next question. Make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers using any 4 different digit. Any 4 different digit we have to take by our own, but with condition given here. What is the difference in before question and this question? Here in this question, condition given, and what is the condition? See, first condition given, digit 7 is at always ones place, means 4 different digit we have to use. In that one fixed digit 7 is here, and number have to form 4 digit, means ones, tens, 100 and 1000. In these places, ones place fixed 7 should be there. Okay, in both greatest and smallest number. And then remaining numbers, anyone we can use any digit. Suppose here written 8757. Then see here also at smallest number we are writing, that time also at ones place 7 should be there. Then what we have to write first? 5, 7, 8 and 7. This is the smallest, and use same digit to make greatest and smallest number. Okay, then see second condition what given? Digit 9 is always at 100 place. What given? Digit 9 is at 100 place, means ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 100 place 9 should be there in both numbers. Then here you can make any digit you can take, then 1, 9, 2, 4 and same here 4, 9, 2 and 1. Here because condition given 9 is always at 100 place, so greatest number will be 4921 and smallest 1924. Okay, then see here we are going to stop. In next video we are going to discuss Roman numerals, very important and interesting topic, so don't miss it. We will meet in next video.
Thanks students for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if any doubt or comment is there, then you can freely send it in comment section.